Welcome to our app, Eduba. Eduba is the Babylonian word for hall of tablets or hall of writing. As you can see, as soon as you log into the actual program, you'll have a list of conversations to choose from or a new discussion to make. As you come through, you can see we already have had discussions. Within these discussions, there are multiple individuals, both people like myself and my programmer, whose profile was called Adam Smith for fun, as well as other AI, such as this academic writing AI, or even perhaps a curriculum or prime chat document agent, which we will go over further here shortly. Within this environment, you may talk how you like, and it acts as a standard group chat. However, you also have a list of AI agents to choose from that we can add to or subtract from as needed. Each of these AI agents are from various platforms such as ChatGPT, the GPT-4, GPT-3, and Claude Opus, and the Haiku models. We also plan on adding agents from Gemini and any other major platform that seems to fit into the environment. Within this chat, you can see a talk on a paper that is about 20 to 25 pages long, focusing on presidency and democracy in the digital age. This is an actual paper that I was writing at the time and was able to compare my own writings and work that I was doing to the output of this document. We have a standard conversation discussing the actual movements and writing within the paper, and then we call upon an academic writing assistant agent, which reads our conversation, and based on its own prompting and sections that we've trained it on, it reads our conversation like a prompt and responds appropriately, creating an outline that it thinks should be added. From there, we discuss and talk about the outline and have another document agent that is specifically tailored to creating and moving documents. Even though each of these agents can create a document, it's better to have one agent specific at one task. It goes through and we give it our own transitions. I decide to change the thesis to a thesis I had already written. And we move further into finally incorporating another curriculum agent. Well, this one is dedicated and trained on Brown University's curriculum creation and listens to our entire group chat and decides to create a curriculum based off of this. This allows you to essentially bounce between agents and platforms that streamlines the productivity process and disregards the need for constant prompting and large context windows. From there, the agents are actually creating and molding this document. However, it's important to understand the versions and changes that are happening within the document. You can see every word, every movement, and everything that has been added or removed, and as you update the document, it will create more versions, which can then be semantically valued so that you can go to previous or newer versions based on what has been changed. Through there, you have other various chats that you can be involved in. This could be created or molded to be sections of a classroom with multiple students or sections of a development team where each area is working on a specific part of the software with certain agents added into it. On top of all of this, everything is being tracked and molded by our own document system and semantic vectoring. Eduba is changing the way the world works, one step at a time, but giving the human aspect a center of control. If you'd like to stay updated on what we are doing for Eduba, please go ahead and join our Discord and follow us on all social media. Thank you for your time.